Video at the back window. So this is all these officers up here. Then drive back. Make a loop, come back so we can get video. Or park over here. Pull over so I can get video of all these officers. This is what they calling all these officers because we dropped off a criminal complaint. Open the door. All these officers are here because we dropped off a criminal complaint. They called in. There were 3 or 4 cars came in because we dropped off a criminal complaint. Okay. We dropped off a criminal complaint in the building, and the officer seen walking out of the building with them. Dropped off a criminal complaint in the building, and the officer walked out of the building carrying all 3 copies. Okay, opinions, thoughts?
Yeah, that was wrong.
Okay, more than that.
It was overkill calling all those police officers. They obviously were afraid of you. Can you please get your camera out of my face?
Okay,